Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to link or unlink video and audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you have dragged your video clip into the timeline, simply right-click on them and you can select Unlink to unlink both the video and audio clip. Once you have done that, you can then separately move the video clip and the audio clip around the timeline without them being linked to each other. To link them, simply select both of the clips by dragging over the both of them. Right-click on it and click on link. You also have to make sure that the linked selection is enabled right here on the timeline beside the magnet icon. Make sure that this is in blue. If not, you can just click on them to enable it. And once you have done that, you can then move both of the video and audio clip as a linked media clip. If that does not work for you, you can also right-click on the both of them while still selecting both the audio and video, and you can nest them as an alternative. So you can name the nested sequence, hit OK, and they should also be moved together as one. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.